Hello, everyone. This is Teacher Calvin, and welcome to another episode of Maths I Can Do. Today, I'm going to introduce to you one of my RBAD methodologies for solving maths problems. The letter R, which stands for ratio, the cross multiply method. Here is an example of how we can apply the method in solving a ratio maths problem.
Okay, in this question, it says that Davy is 8 years older than Jerry. Okay, so we have to start with a diagram in which for easier to understand, we just mark out Davy and Jerry. Now, so assuming Jerry as a unit, just a box, Davy has to be 8 years older. That means Davy will be a longer box, but with 8 years older. In that case, we just duplicate Davy here, same box there. But Davy has to be 8 years older. There you go. So we'll just put the 8 into the green box. There. David is 8 years older than Jerry. Okay, let's call Jerry unit. So Davy will be unit plus 8. That is the situation now. Okay, there you go. That's the situation now. Okay, now in 4 years' time, everybody would have grown 4 years older. Okay, so David would have grown 4 years older, and so did Jerry. Okay, in this case, I have to plus 4 years for Davy and another 4 years for Jerry. Now, the new outcome would be Davy will be unit plus 12, whereby Jerry is unit plus 4. And the next part of the statement says the ratio of the age will be 5:7. Now we have to be careful here because who is supposed to be 7? Because Davy will be the older one. She should be equal to 7, whereas Jerry should be equal to 5. Now we apply our ratio cross multiply method whereby we have, here you go, without really much thinking, all you need to do is you need 5 sets of this. You just crisscross. 5 sets of this will be really equal to 7 sets of this. So what do we have? What do we do? What do I mean by that? I mean, what you do is you have 5 sets of unit plus 12. After you've done the crisscross, it will be equal to 7 sets of unit plus 4. Okay, so if we multiply in, we have 5 sets of unit plus 12, we'll have 5 units. And because we have 5 sets of 12, we have 60 on this side. And we have 7 sets of unit plus 4, meaning we have 7 units on this side. And 7 multiplied by 4, we have 28 on this side. Okay, finally, we need to move all the units to one side and all the numbers to one side. Okay, so in this case, I need to minus 5 units on this side. So there's 0 lies on here. And because of that, of the balance, I need to maintain my balance. I minus 5 units on this side. Okay, so leaving 2 units on this side and a plus here, and a 28 on this side. Okay, well, that's the right hand side, and on my left hand side, I will left with 60 because the 5 unit minus the 5 unit is gone. So the next step is, well, we have take away 28 on the right hand side, so that is zeroize this. So we just have 2 unit on the right hand side, and we take away 28 on the left hand side, making a 2 and 32. Okay, so if 2 unit is 32, 1 unit will be 16. That is 32 divided by 2. Okay, so now you have 1 unit is 16. I'll just put it back here. There you go. So a unit is here. So the question asks, how old is Jerry now? I think we have established the answer is just 16. Okay, Jerry now is units, which is 16. And if you want to know, which is not in the question, Davy would have been now 16 plus 8, which is 24. Okay, just to check the correctness of the answer, let's do, say, 4 years' time. So 24 plus 4 years, and 16 years plus 4 years. Okay, so that would be 28 for Davy and 20 for Jerry, which exactly, if you divide by 4 on each side, they will have the ratio of 7 on top and 5 below, which is exactly corresponds with our question here. So it is correct. Therefore, Jerry is actually 16 years old now. And that would be the answer.
Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, do give us a thumbs up. You may wish to subscribe to be kept informed of new postings, and meanwhile do check out the other videos in this channel.